treat yourself to a test drive in the 2011 Ford Mustang. This two-door, four-passenger coupe provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. Ford made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 400 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Ford prioritized comfort and style by including one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a trip computer, and cruise control. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Come down to our dealership. You'll get a great vehicle at a great price.